Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not.
Guys, ito na naman kami. Happy Saturday afternoon. Wala lang, ganda lang ng weather namin guys. Kaya ikot-ikot lang kami. Saka ng mukha ko. So, dahil wala kaming magawa, magboba tayo. Yes. So guys, we're going on now. We're going to JB. So, look at the traffic, babe. Maybe they have the show talaga there, babe, no?
I don't know.
Because you said they closed the turnpike.
Yeah, I don't know what.
We're not in a rush. Yeah. Ang layo, guys. Pupuntahan namin.
This is the first time I get in the highway, babe.
Oh, after the ano?
Yeah.
Be careful. But you feel
Right.
like it's okay, baby.
Yeah, look.
No problems.
Look. It's not moving nowhere.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, because guys, we're fixing the car this morning. Because it was Friday, baby, right?
Hmm?
Yeah, it was Friday when my husband got hit with somebody, almost hit with somebody, guys. And the driver truck ran away. Nothing is like, feels like nothing happened. And then he hit the rock. You know, so something out, something underneath the car. You know, something wrong. And the tire also. So he went to the shop this morning to realign the car because the steering wheel is not straight. And then you buy a new tire also, baby, no? You bought
No.
a new tire, no?
Nope.
Ano? Yeah, because he had a spare tire. So, yeah, so that's what happened. So I'm glad he's okay, you know, nothing wrong with him. So it's hard to drive here in Miami, guys. People think they know how to drive, but they're not. So yeah. So
What's that flag down there?
where is that?
It's a team or something? Hey, Miami Heat. Miami Heat or what is the other one?
So it's
UM.
yeah, it's his first time driving here after the incident last Friday, but the car is doing great now. Praise the Lord. You know, because especially our car is antique. It's antique, vintage, vintage, guys. You know, so we need to be careful.
Where
So
are you?
now we don't have to go
Are we
anywhere.
in Navy?
Not yet pa. So we don't have nowhere to go. We're just driving around. Test drive. It's good. So yeah. Thank you that
That's early.
it's not, we expect that we gonna pay like 400 something, but thanks God we only pay like 140, baby, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, we pay only 140, you know, but there's still a little things to fix, you know, little by little. So yeah, so this road, guys, this is going to 90, this is 95. This is if you're going towards Orlando, yeah, going to Gainesville, you can pass this too. Yeah. So this is another highway here, see this road all the time in my vlog. So, yeah. It seems like it's going to rain. It's getting dark.
Did we pass?
Not yet, pa. We need to pass by that one.
Over here, I had to get off in Hollywood
Yeah.
for Danny, where he lives.
Ah, so you drive this morning, baby? Over here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's not
So where he
far.
lives. He lives up here.
Yeah. It's not far from us.
45 minutes.
Yeah, we
45
have.
minutes.
Yeah, we have a friend here, guy live here also in Hollywood. So
Right here.
we drove all the way here, guys, just to get the boba. Baby, what dinner you want? You want me to cook the pasta, baby? We have shrimp there, baby. Still have pasta there, baby. I need to get the pasta for you. But I'm going to use
Sufra.
the spaghetti, baby.
Sufra.
My husband wants the sufrat. It's been a long time, guys. We didn't eat
Mediterranean.
Mediterranean food. Yeah, that's our favorite. Can I eat lamb chop, baby?
No.
That's my favorite. But I eat
can't,
lamb
babe.
chop.
Chicken, maybe.
Yeah,
And it's still heavy for you.
I know. So, guys, see you in boba, okay? In Tiger Sugar. I'm going to order a boba taro.
If we eat,
Yeah. Okay, see you there, guys. This is the boba, guys. Boba. This is the boba, guys. Guys, this is the boba. Like that. This is the one. We're here in Pembroke. We're supposed to go to Davie just to get the boba. But I don't know why we're in Pembroke now. Ganda ng guys, sunset. The weather is so nice. Yeah. Magkikita kami ng friend namin dito. Kakain daw kami ng Mediterranean food. So guys, kami nandito. Wala na naman sa plano, guys. Bigla na namang dumating sa biglang nagbago ang plano, guys. This is the surprise natin. I think that's the one. Imbis na magboba lang kami, kumakain na tuloy. Yeah, we're going to meet some friends here, guys. Some friend. A good friend of ours. We're going to meet a friend here. A good friend of ours, guy. Wala. We're going to eat Mediterranean food.
Fire.
I don't know. So,
There's a light. Danny's already there.
I know. She's already here.
Yeah, 5 minutes we were the same.
Yeah. I-invite namin kay mag-dinner, guy, kasi palagi niya kami tinutulungan pa. Lalo na pagdating sa car. Siya talaga yung tinatawagan ni Edwin lagi. So, hindi naman siya nagpapabayad sa amin. Sabi niya kasi ako, sige, kumain na, pakainin na lang natin. Libre na lang natin ng dinner. So, yan. Kaya kami nandito, guys.
Where is it?
I think it's already there. We go that side.
This side?
Yeah.
Sure.
Turn right. Then the destination is on your left.
Okay, there ba? Yeah. So, here. Yeah. All the way to the end. Yeah. Dali, senyor.
You got the white car. Let's see.
So, yeah.
Where is it? Eh? It's closed?
Ayan o, so front there. Ayun, in the corner. Ayun, so front. Ayun, dito ko eh. Where you gonna park?
Who's there?
You have a parking there, baby.
Yeah, go on.
Go here.
The destination is on your left. Suffert Mediterranean Grill.
Yeah, there's
Turn
a lot of parking there, baby. And they have Outback pala here.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see his car?
No?
Maybe he's not here yet.
It's easier, this one. I was gonna park in there.
Where you gonna park this one?
Yeah. Ah, there you go.
That's his car. Okay, guys. Yeah. He's here already. Our friend is here. Our friend is here, guys.
¿Te llegaste ahora?
Hey! You're in my vlog! So guys, we're gonna eat here in Sofrat. It's been a long time, guys. So, yeah. I'm gonna eat here.
Todo bueno.
No, because they are like sweet.
Right, right?
Huh?
The drinks that I ordered.
Yeah. Not
Pero
good.
la cerveza que es griega.
Beer right here, Henneken, Corona.
Es griega.
Guys, this guy over here, guy, is single. Looking for a Filipina girlfriend.
Yeah, how are good though?
¿Verdad? Ese calbanzo. You got no ice on it, right? No.
Almanza? What beer is that, baby? Almanza.
Belgian? No. Lebanon? No.
This is Lebanon.
Lebanon.
You want ice with water? Ice with water?
No.
No, we good.
We're good. Good, right? So good. Thank you. Hey, put honey on.